Gob, unang-una, nakuha nyo kagad panalo and guest team pa yung nakuha na nyo ng panalo. How does it feel na tone, kumaga tone setting win tong inuwa ng Converge?
Actually, hindi ko po in-expect na manalo ngayon kasi kulang na kulang po kami talaga sa oras sa practice. So, actually, halos isang araw lang po kami nag-practice ng buo because of the FIBA and because of the All-Star. Kaya, maybe we're going to look at the names of players, meron tayo. Pero yung chemistry, teamwork, wala pa. So, good thing, naka-recover po kami nitong huli because of defense. Kaya ganun po yung nangyari. Pero chemistry, wala pa po talaga.
Kumaga panalo na, wala pang chemistry sa lagay niyan. Na-excite ka ba na ito si Mikey at saka si Calvin, kumaga may second and third gear pa tayo this conference kapag nakuha natin yung dalawa na maglaro?
Yes, Calvin, malaking presence po ni Calvin, especially on defense. And Mikey, syempre, makakapag-create si Mikey, one good thing, kasi talagang nasa kanya po yung depensa with Mikey. So, malaking bagay po yung dalawang tao na yun. Actually, ngayon nawala. Especially first to third quarter, fourth quarter ko na lang po nagamit si Mikey.
Nung ginamit nyo si Mikey, nagkaroon ng kagaling impact. Scoreless siya pero yung paggamit niya sa import nyo, that was a key factor.
Yung 3 assists na yun, importante po yun. And the way he played defense, importante po yun. And then, step up ng mga ibang bata natin. Nag-step up po yung mga ibang bata. How many players to have double-double? 5 or 6 players double.
And ano masasabi nyo na ito na nga, yung Converge, nakuha yung panalo tapos marami pa tayong kailangan. Kumbaga, it's a good win and it's a good start. And then, ano yung siguro first thing that you will address right now pagdating sa practice?
First, pasalamat syempre with God yung first game na nakuha po namin. Pero more smoothening our offense play. Yung defense, nakita ko nito fourth quarter, they going to play defense, kakayanin naman pala nila.
And are we gonna expect Mikey to play probably more minutes
Yes.
in the next game?
Unti-untiin ko po kasi hindi ko rin mabigla. How many practice pa lang po si Mikey. Talagang makikita mo, nagpapakondisyon pa. Pero malayo pa po sa kondisyon. Talagang kondisyon niya na dati po.
Thank you, Gob.
Thank you.